welcome back to the EatSleepYangon channel. I'm Shwe and I'll be your host for today, and we'll be exploring around, we call it Theingyi Wholesale Market, one of the biggest market in Yangon, and let's see what happens around, like, shall we? You can even see the beer station right behind me, which is like, they took all the second building from here, I guess, so it's quite big though. So let's keep moving, shall we? And yeah, don't forget to wear a mask. Okay, so now we are at the local market, which sells the very fresh food fruits, and also you can see a lot of it, and it's really cheap. Should I ask them first? Okay, right here is a bowl of this one right here just for 1,000 only, so it is really cheap. Okay, there's something I found. Let me show you. Right here, you will see a small little orange, which is we call a honey orange. I think it's naturally sweet. It's a really good one, and then it's really cheap though, which is like 500 per basket. It's only around 30 cents, so it's really cheap and tasty. Yep. Let's go. Right behind me, I saw something, but I don't really know the exact meaning of it. But it has the same nutty flavor, and also like kind of like you have to boil it and steam it to eat it. Kind of like a sweet potato type of thing, yeah. But yeah, I just want to show you right here. But it's a rare thing though. So shall we keep moving? So between Ladar and Theingyi Market, you will see lots of gold and jewelry shop across the street, which is so many. Like, look at me, just there's one behind me as well. So if you're a gold lover, and this is the right spot to come. Yeah. Look, I've been working for like 15 minutes straight, and I'm really thirsty now. And I found a good spot, which is like a bourbon tea shop, which is Kim Nico. So let's go and grab some. As we see here, they got so many types of milkshake, which is also like a Taiwan milk tea, and also Thai, and like milk green tea is also right here. And then yeah, the different types of chocolate as well. And if you're a bubble lover, you can ask them to put as well. So I'm going to ask them to make, let's see, Taiwan milk tea, shall we? Taiwan milk tea product. So yeah, so it costs you like 1,300 for one. So it's around like $1 only. So it's still cheap. Yeah. These days, these kind of bubble tea shops are getting popular among every people. So you can see all those bubble tea shops in each corner of the road. So yeah, and my order is right up here, and I order I think a Taiwan milk tea, I guess. So I'm gonna taste it. Got it. It's really sweet and really tasty as well. Oh my gosh. Kind of like a milk flavor to it. Not that sweet though. I was so thirsty, and yeah, it just makes me feel happy. street, I found a very common street food right here, which is like gray corn. Yeah, they grill it, and also like sweet potato right there. And we can see a steamed bean right here, and they all cost like 500 for each, so it's really cheap. And I can say you, but I'm not gonna try the corn, but it have a really like sweet flavor to it, and also, but I'm gonna try this bean. So shall we? So right under here, they have a big bowl of hot water, and then they put all the beans. Yeah. So, thank you. Right here, gonna try it. Look, it's so hot right here. What you do is just squeeze it. And there's 2 beans inside. It's so natural. They add nothing but just they boil it, I guess. Gonna eat it. It has a nutty flavor. So right here, I got one piece of chocolate right here. It smells really good. Actually, this kind of food is for a morning, like breakfast kind of food. With we usually eat with tea or something like that. But now I can see it right here, and they're selling at night as well. So why not? Shall we taste it for this one? Just like 2 pieces right here. It's a little bit oily, kind of like chewy though. And yes, it's kind of sweet as well, so it smells really good. And for this, it's only cost you like 200 just, which is like around 10 cents or something, just like that. So it's really cheap and tasty as well, so you should try it as well. After a long walk, finally I reached my destination. Right behind me is Sule Pagoda. Yeah. So I hope you really enjoyed the video, and then don't forget to like and watch the video right here and right here as well. So see you next time. Bye.